Mondays are often seen as the start of a fresh chapter. They come with a clean slate full of promise. But did you know there's a deeper spiritual energy at play here? According to ancient wisdom, Mondays are connected to the moon, representing intuition, emotions, and the subconscious mind. This lunar energy sets the tone for the week ahead. So how can you harness this energy to your advantage? Start by tuning into your intuition. Trust your gut feelings and inner guidance. This is a day to connect with your emotional side, nurturing yourself and others with kindness and empathy. It's also an excellent time for introspection and setting intentions. Reflect on your goals and dreams, and clearly define what you want to manifest in the coming days. Write down your intentions and visualize them into existence. Embrace the lunar energy of Mondays and watch as your desires begin to unfold.